Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make banana fritters. Now, as you can see behind me, banana plantation over here. It's a sight to be beheld. It looks magnificent. And looking at this plantation, it tempts you to try out this recipe that we are going to show you today. Now, the banana fritters, when I had it, it was just delicious. It was so crunchy. You bite into it, and obviously when it's just cooked, it's wonderful. Also, by adding in and sprinkling the cinnamon sugar on top, the combination is elite. So with that said, let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this marvelous, this delicious, this wonderful, this scintillating, this exquisite banana fritters. It's a very good thing to make, especially for teen time snacks. If you're sending your kids to school, you can give it to them in their packed lunches. If you're going to work, you can take it with you. If you're going on a picnic, it's very good. If you're having tea, it's good to have it with that or with coffee, but when you have it fresh, the taste is wonderful. So do try it out. If you like this video, do hit the like button and also comment below whether you are going to try out these banana fritters. And as you know, we are here in Turkey, so I have another channel by the name Don Imran, and go check that out if you are into looking at viewing some travel videos. And with that said, catch you in the next one.